I'm going through. Oh, fuck. I'm breathing. God. Oh. Oh, f me.
Alright?
Legs hurting, but I'm good. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Hold on, sit down, dude.
I went through the bike and it's gonna need a new pipe and a bunch of brackets and things like that, but I'm thankful. Mondays suck. I got hit by a car. Mondays suck. But if you want more riding videos and other things, you can subscribe to my channel. Hopefully no more crashes, but this might get a few people over to my channel because people always click on crashes for some reason. But definitely not how I wanted to get views. But thank you for watching and have a good day.